Welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, this is Knowledge Base, and we're here to get you the knowledge that you need, but most especially for those who love YouTube and for those who would want to make sure that their YouTube shorts, their YouTube videos, and everything to do with YouTube is up to the top notch. And in this case, we want to learn on how best to use the optimized YouTube shorts. Did you know that the shorts are supposed also to have the right descriptions? Most of you just post shorts and they even fail to go viral. Reason being that these shorts need optimized descriptions. Get onto your browser and make sure you put in Gravity right, and then you land on this dashboard. So when you land on this dashboard, we are going to be looking for where to get all this information that we need. This is the dashboard. We can go through it and read through all these, as it is important for you to be able to understand what you need. So we get onto our left hand side where there is dashboard here, and then we scroll down, and in this case we are looking for YouTube shorts. So we get to the YouTube tools. So when you get to YouTube tools, you go down slowly, and we look for the YouTube shorts. When we get here, we do not have them here. So if they are not here, where are they? So we get down, we get scrolling, we go down. Guys, don't get here and get excited. We are looking for the YouTube shorts. Okay, so when we get here, I can check in here as well and find that they are not there. So what we do, maybe we shall go to where we find the extras. So when we go to the extras, at the extras is where we find the YouTube descriptions. We have the YouTube script creator, and then we have the YouTube description for shorts. Guys, I repeat, YouTube description for shorts. There are so many descriptions, but we're looking at the YouTube description for short videos. This is where you find that other people's videos are going viral, other people's videos are making it, and for you, the shorts are not doing it because you're not doing it right. Okay, so let's dive in here. They say enter your video title and the points you want to cover. So my YouTube title is right here. Okay, this is my YouTube title, and let's see how they can give us what we need. So it's as simple as you see within the shortest period of time. So look guys, within less than 30 seconds, we already have the YouTube description. And guess what guys? In this case, you get the description, which is here, and then you're given even, okay, the tags that we need. Look at the tags. These are the tags that we need for the YouTube shorts. We are also given all the tags that you need. But remember, guys, let's learn this. Remember to keep your tags short, to keep your tags brief, and keep your tags less than 15. YouTube recommends only the tags, the SEO tags, to remain 15 in number. Should you have more, YouTube will view them as spamming. Guess what guys? This will be spamming. Make sure you keep your YouTube shorts only 15 YouTube SEO tags. Make sure they are less than 15. So guys, let's dive in. Let's see how best we have created this. Look at this. Our YouTube description with our title is right here. Okay, and everything is well set for you, and it is optimized for you to make sure that you make your videos right moving. So in this video, you have to make sure that your YouTube video, your YouTube short, is right and well optimized. So what you do, you just press here, and then you say, you pick your description. Remember, you pick your description, okay, right here. And after getting a description, you pick it and go and drop it in the description of your YouTube short. Guys, this is a description for YouTube shorts, not for other things, but specifically for YouTube shorts. Make sure we look for YouTube shorts and we get it from the extras here. Okay, right in the extras, and we look for, we have the YouTube description. Do not, guys, run to YouTube's descriptions. Do not just go to YouTube's script. Just get to YouTube description for shorts. And in this case, you will be able to create the title and purposely for the YouTube shorts, not for the long YouTube videos. So thank you so much, guys. It's a pleasure. And please, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And again, if this information is really important to you, share it to your brother, your sister, your colleagues, your whatever you have, and make sure they get to understand this as well. Do not keep information by yourself, as I manage to share this information with you without any reservation. So thank you so much, guys. See you then in my next video.